Welcome to Boozy Books. In this video, we will show you how to create a credit note. Credit notes are used for return goods and discounts. How to create a new credit note for returned goods. For returned goods, head to Invoices under the Sales tab and choose the invoice that you want to enter the credit note. Click on the credit note icon. Now click on the edit icon and edit the quantity. Now to save the credit note, click on Save. Your credit note is now created. How to create a new credit note for discount. For discount, head to Credit Note under the Sales tab and click on New Credit Note. Select New Discount. Enter the necessary details including date, customer name, reason, discount, and GST rate. Now to save the discount, click on Save. To print the discount, click on Print. How to edit a credit note. Go to Credit Note and choose the credit note that you want to edit. Click on Edit icon. Edit the required details. Now to save the credit note, click on Save. How to print a credit note. Now to print a credit note, go to Credit Note and choose the credit note that you want to print. Click on Print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. How to cancel a credit note. Now to cancel the credit note, go to Credit Note and choose the credit note that you want to cancel. Click on Cancel icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.